We here at Minotti really enjoy hosting these events like we're doing this evening with HagenHinderdael. We find them very educational, informative and help spread ideas and the design of beautiful things using new materials and trying to find innovative ways to use waste materials in a sustainable way to make new products.
So we are HagenHinderdael. I am Lisa and this is Sophia. We're architects by training who have moved into product installation design. We're here at Minotti today to showcase our products and have them on display for the next couple of months.
We focus a lot on sustainable design and innovative technologies. One of our products is a light made of 3D printed sawdust entirely bound with lignin, so it's all wood waste and then printed by a desk-jet binder. Another product is a light as well, made of concrete cast in bubble wrap from packaging waste with plastic waste as an aggregate. And then we have 3D printed concrete seats and planters, which were an installation at Dubai Design Week, an art installation, and are now repurposed so they can continue their life. We are very aligned and we definitely have found our ethos very, very quickly and developed our narrative, which will just continue to grow now.
I think our next plans are to keep producing, keep designing, and create beautiful things.
It was a great event. I really want to thank HagenHinderdael. We really enjoyed that. It was really informative to learn about the new materials and manufacturing techniques. So really looking forward to the next one. If you are interested to see any of the products that we've learnt about or discussed this evening, they are on display at our showroom here in London, in Margaret Street. So we look forward to seeing you there.